Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to remove backgrounds in Canva. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. First things first, make sure you have Canva open in your web browser. Once you're in, create a new design or open an existing one where you want to remove the background. For example, I click on the Create Design and select YouTube Thumbnail. Step 2. Now, let's upload the image you want to work with. Click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side, and then select Upload an Image. After your image is uploaded, simply click on it to select it. You can resize the image to fit the canvas if needed. Once you have your image selected, go to the top Edit Photo and click on Effects. In the Effects menu, you'll find various editing options. We're interested in Background Remover, so click on it. Canva will automatically work its magic and remove the background from your image. This process may take a few seconds, depending on the complexity of the image. Step 3. In some cases, you may need to fine-tune the background removal. To do this, click on Adjust. If there are any remaining background elements, you can use the eraser tool to remove them. Super simple. On the flip side, if it mistakenly removed part of your subject, you can use the Restore option. Adjust the brush size on the left and paint around to bring back what you need. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Anywhere and then Download to save your edited image. To download your image, click on the Share button and then click on the Download button. Here, select the data type and click on the Download button. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the background from your image using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.